Did you know that fire produces heat? Heat is a form of energy that can transfer from one object to another. But how does it work? That's where thermodynamics comes in. Thermodynamics is the study of how heat moves and changes within systems. It helps us understand the behavior of gases, liquids, and solids at different temperatures. One way to measure heat is with a thermometer. It uses a liquid, like mercury, that expands or contracts depending on the temperature. The higher the temperature, the faster the molecules move, causing the liquid to rise. Heat can also transfer through conduction, which is direct contact between objects. For example, when you touch a hot stove, heat is transferred from the stove to your hand. Another way heat moves is through convection. This occurs in fluids, like air or water, when warmer particles rise and cooler particles sink. It creates currents that distribute heat throughout the system. Finally, we have radiation, which is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves. The sun radiates heat to Earth, keeping our planet warm and sustaining life. Heat and thermodynamics play a crucial role in our everyday lives. They're involved in cooking, heating our homes, generating electricity, and even cooling our computers. Scientists continue to study heat and thermodynamics to unlock their secrets and find new ways to harness their power. It's an exciting field that holds endless possibilities. Thank you for watching our video on unlocking the secrets of heat and thermodynamics. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated on scientific discoveries and more.